Hi, my name is Roopa and I manage the IT Process Excellence team for Unilever globally. I joined this program called Excellence Fast Forward, conducted by Aashwasan, a couple of months back. And when I started, I had come in with a couple of questions, a little bit of self-doubt, and wondering what is the direction for my life going forward. And this 12-week program was such a transformational program. It literally took me from darkness to light, from chaos to clarity. And that comes from having put together a program that truly is designed to understand the human mind, the human behavior, and so many other facets that clouds a person's personality. And at the end of the program, I look to my life and my future very, very positively. And this is my brief note to say thank you to Aashwasan. Thank you.